They are very high, and they are that we find a direction of how we want to work during the next few years and which direction we want to develop as a network.
The first element is that we are very happy that it's finally happening, because we waited for that since 20, and COVID of course was there and we had to postpone, so we're very happy that's happening. And what I expect as director of the University of Namur is that this network that already had worked on a lot of topics that join us with the values and identity that we share can continue to work on hot topics. For instance, democracy. There is a new group on HEST that works on this topic, and I think that this is our mission, that to put collectively resources in order to investigate and open those very important topics for society.
To have a greater collaboration among universities and institutions in Europe. I know the challenges, different languages, and even within the country like Spain, once again different languages, different groups, but I think we need to transcend all that to have a clear vision of what we want to do in the society to realize the mission of higher education. So I just came with this expectation and I just expressed, and I think I got a good response.
Because it's a good atmosphere among the group, and we get a lot of input, which is stimulating. And I think now we will have to bind together our ideas and suggestions for the future. And I'm very hopeful in regard to the good atmosphere in the group that we will do some good progress.
I'm totally optimistic, yes, and I want to invest, and the University of Namur wants to invest in this network. The connection that we have with other universities, but also with faculties of theology or philosophy, is very interesting for us. It's also a way for a university as ours that is embedded in a very secularized world to keep the links with the Jesuit identity and to be also nurtured by what is happening in other institutions in the context of the Jesuit identity.
Really, I was very happy that I came in. It also helped me to connect with people, to learn. Today I was telling Philip, I came here mainly to learn. I think that has been satisfying. Learn about various institutions, what is being done, what areas of collaboration they are involved in, what is your strength. I think that way, I think it's a great learning process. Because as a secretary, I need to know what to learn and what to look for. I think that I succeeded in.
We grow together, become really one body. I think that's important, that we feel that we are one body in different forms in Europe and in Near East, but that we experience this unity in our group even more than we already do.
Europe is playing a leading role in certain areas of collaboration. I think you are at the service of the world, both of the theology centers and Ignatian Spirituality Center. So you're doing great work, and all that we need to continue. And the whole question is, how do we continue that with a decreasing number of years?